In today's video, I'll show you how to use your Samsung phone as a microphone on your PC in Windows. Let's get into the method. We need to use a free app for this on both our phone and PC, and I'll include the full setup for both wireless and wired connections. So first head to the Play Store on your Samsung device and search for Audio Relay. This is the app we're going to use, so tap on Install. You might see a message about it still being developed. Once downloaded, open it, and tap on Get Started, and this will open the app's main page. There are some premium features on this app, so you could check this if you are limited with the free version, but it will still work. You can switch your attention to your PC now and head to Google and search for Audio Relay and open this link. I'll also include this in the description. Click on the blue download button and then look for the desktop section and make sure Windows is chosen. Select download again and then save this to a place you know. Your downloads folder is fine. Save it here and then double click on it from File Explorer to open it. Next, you might need to click on Yes on the user account control screen, and now the install window should open. Choose your language and click on OK. Then click Next, unless you want to change the location for the software, but the default should be fine. If you only plan to use your phone as a mic, you can uncheck the speaker driver box here, but it's fine to leave this on. You will most likely need to keep the firewall rules box checked, as this will prevent any problems relating to it, and it's your choice if you want a desktop shortcut. Click Next, and then Install. Allow this to complete. Leave this box checked and then click on Finish and the software should now load. Within the software, head to the Player tab on the left and choose the mode on the right. As we're wanting to use the phone as a microphone, select the option called Mic here. Next, in the Windows search bar, type in Change System Sounds and open this settings page. Select the Recording tab and then make sure that the option called Virtual Mic for Audio Relay is enabled, and you can set it as the default device by right-clicking on it and by choosing the relevant option. It should have the green check mark on it. This can also be done in the main sound settings page in the Input section by choosing this mic from the drop-down menu or by checking the box next to it. Move back to your Samsung device now and open the app up again if you closed it. Within the app, head to the Server tab and then choose Microphone. If you now get a pop-up asking for permission to use the microphone, make sure you allow this while using the app. You don't need to allow notifications, but that's up to you. Back on your PC, we're almost ready to use the mic. In the Player tab once again, look towards the bottom for the servers and select your phone from the list. You might want to make a note of this number to differentiate it later from the USB connection if you set that up. This should create the connection and you can test out the mic now. If your phone doesn't show up, try connecting your phone and PC to the same Wi-Fi network. The best way to test the new microphone is by opening the Sound Recorder app in Windows, then hit Record, and try speaking into your phone. After stopping the recording, listen to it back and check the quality. You could then adjust the position of the phone to improve this, or look in the Windows sound settings for any adjustments. There's also plenty of settings to check on the mobile app if you scroll down in the Server tab, so feel free to look through and customize these. To use this microphone in apps on your PC, such as Teams or Discord, check the microphone settings in the app and ensure that this virtual mic is chosen. You can stop the connection within the PC app player page and on the phone's server page within the app by using the stop icons. There might be a time limit with the free version, such as 1 hour for each connection, so you may need to restart the connection after an hour. If you want to use a USB cable for the mic for better latency and quality, Connect the cable from your phone to your PC and head to the Mobile Apps settings page and check that USB tethering is turned on here. Next, quickly head to the Player tab in the mobile app and look for the USB tethering option. Click on Settings, and this will open your device's settings page, where you'll need to turn on USB tethering here. Next, head back to the Server tab in the mobile app and choose Microphone again. Back on your PC in the Player tab, choose your phone from the list of servers. This will be the new number that you see. This will now complete the connection again and you can test it out. That's how to use your Samsung phone as a microphone on your PC in Windows. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.